Hello students, today I will discuss about differential protection of alternator. This figure shows a three-phase stator winding. Differential protection of alternator used for protection of stator winding fault. Protection of stator winding fault means it may be line to ground fault, two-phase short-circuited fault, three-phase short-circuited fault, any types of fault. Working principle of differential protection is same as current differential relay as discussed in our previous lecture. Under normal operating condition, the current at both ends of each winding will be equal and hence no current flow through the relay operating coil. This figure shows the three-phase stator winding, and two identical rating of CTs are used in both sides of the stator winding. Under normal operating condition, the amount of current incoming to the alternator winding is equal to the amount of current is outgoing from the alternator winding. जदि जी अमाउंटर करेन्ट इन कला और से अमाउंटर करेन्ट आउट है ताहले ये सिटी सेकेंडरी सिटी वन एंड सिटी टू सिटी वन सेकेंडरी और सिटी टू रो सेकेंडरी इक्वाल अमाउंटर करेन्ट शो करिवो जदि इक्वाल अमाउंटर करेन्ट शो करुच्ची देन द डिफरेंस द वेक्टर डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू करेन्ट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस अमाउंट ऑफ करेन्ट इज पासेस थ्रू दिस relay operating coil because between these two CT, that is CT1 and CT2, between these CT1 and these CT2, relay coil 1 is present. Similarly, for Y phase or second phase, between these CT and these CT, relay coil 2 is present, R2. Similarly, for this stator winding protection, relay coil 3 is present. Under normal operating condition, the amount of current incoming to the stator winding is equal to the amount of current outgoing from the stator winding. So, the difference between the current incoming and outgoing current is equal to 0 ampere. So, no current is flowing through this relay operating coil. So, the circuit is not tripped, means circuit is in healthy condition. But when fault is occur, it may be earth fault or it may be short circuited fault. Suppose earth fault is occur in that point, then incoming current is not equals to outgoing current. Incoming current is not equals to outgoing current because incoming current get a short path to flow, means incoming current, suppose incoming current is equals to 1000 ampere, then the amount of current delivered to the load is equals to approximately equal to 200 ampere. The rest amount of 800 ampere current to the 800 ampere flow to the ground. तो जदि 1000 एम्पियर करेंटा इन है ताले 800 एम्पियर करेंटा ग्राउंडिंग हो रेस्ट 200 एम्पियर करेंटा लोड सर्किट को फ्लो हो मीन्स amount of incoming current is not equals to amount of outgoing current. In that case, the relay operating coil R1 is activated and close circuited these 2 points by this plunger. If these 2 points is close circuited, then trip circuit is activated and the circuit breaker disconnect the faulty section from the healthy section. This is all about differential protection of alternator, and this type of protection is provided for protection of stator winding of alternator. This figure represents the balanced earth fault protection. This figure represents the balanced earth fault protection. Under normal operating condition, we know that the vector sum of three phase current, that is IR plus IY plus IB, is equal to 0. And as it is star connected stator winding, that is the neutral point, and current flowing through the neutral point is equals to 0 under balanced condition. So this city is connected with the neutral wire, and other three cities having similar rating, equal rating, are connected with other different phase. Under normal operating condition, the vector sum of three phase current is equals to 0, and current flowing through the neutral wire is equals to 0. Means there is no difference between two current, that is current flowing through the neutral and current flowing through these three phase. So 0 amount of current is flowing through this relay coil, so the trip circuit is not able to activate. But when fault is occur, when earth fault is occur, then this vector sum is not equals to 0. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫଲ୍ଟ ହେବ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏଇ ତିନିଟା ଫେଜ୍ରେ କରେଣ୍ଟ, ଏଇ ତିନିଟା ଫେଜ୍ର ଭେକ୍ଟର ସମ୍ ଅଫ୍ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଜିରୋ ହେବ ନାହିଁ, that is not equals to 0. But always in a star connected stator winding of an alternator, current flowing through the neutral wire is equals to 0. So the difference current is occur between this city and the city which is connected with the neutral wire. This difference current is flowing through the relay operating coil, and the trip circuit is activated, and the circuit breaker able to disconnect the healthy section from faulty section. The difference between these two types of relay is that differential protection of alternator is can be used either for earth fault protection or for short circuit fault condition protection. But this type of relay, balanced earth fault relay, is only used for earth fault protection of alternator. Thank you.